Hello and welcome back to another bearded hobby homestead adventure. Today, by popular demand, I'm going to show you how to assemble your Ryobi 45cc petrol chainsaw. So first of all, we have a bunch of parts here that I will quickly show you on the picture. And this is basically everything you will need to keep this machine operating. Obviously you have your file to sharpen the blades when they get dull, protective cover for the bar and the blade, the tool that you are provided with for this situation, and the bar, the blade, the brake and cover, your machine, and two small little nuts. So first of all, what you want to do is remove the parts that you're not going to use at the moment. Then, with your brake and clutch system side upwards, you will be taking your bar, Ryobi facing upwards, and make sure that your little situation here can spin freely, otherwise there is a problem with your bar. Make sure everything is clean. I cleaned the machine yesterday. Then you will notice that your chain, this chain is slightly used, has the cutting side where the blades are, and then this side that goes on top of the gears to make it spin. Now it should be ready for you to understand that this goes on the inside of the machine and that's on the outside to cut, but just make sure that it didn't twist or turn on you during transit. Alright, now just placing this around the back end and adding this into the front tip here, you leave it as is for now. Then you take your two screws. These will have to go on after this one. So you take your brake. You'll notice that this area here goes over your brake system and there are two holes in there. This is where you adjust the tension for your chain, so don't adjust this all the way just yet. This little pin goes into one of these sockets on the side of the bar, and you are going to pull your blade back until it clicks into place. What I did not do is to ensure that this chain is on the right side, so just make sure of that. Then your blade will be able to travel and you can see where that pin needs to go inside to the bar to help you adjust the tension. If, like, for some reason you're struggling like I am, take your tool and just move the pin in the direction that it needs to go to better fit in the bar. I need to make sure that I'm going the right direction here. Now that it's on, hold it in place, grab your nuts and just freehand put them on there. And this is where it gets interesting. You tighten it down just a little bit, just to hold everything in place, but your bar should still be able to move freely. Pull your bar out, ensure that the blades are spinning and in the correct positions, and then tighten it down just a little bit to get to a slight tension on the blade. Not too much, just slight to stay in place. check your blade play, the give on your blade. It should be around 1.5 to centimeters to an inch, 25 millimeters, and adjust your tensioner accordingly. You will see that the bar, if you turn it the wrong way, your chain will become more loose, and the right way you will tension your blade. And that is how you successfully put your Ryobi 45cc petrol chainsaw together. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you found it informative, and if any more questions arise, please feel free to contact me in the comments down below, and we will see what else I can explain to you or tell you or learn myself. And yeah, that is basically it for me for now. Thanks for watching, stay safe, God bless.